lyrics on the first page here, which means super small lettering, which is super complicated to read. So here we are. Wake up, snowy wish, best friend, mistake, and hoot. Okay, yeah, these lyrics are really tiny, but yeah. So yeah, let's go through a photo book. These are the same pictures that are on the poster, I think. Wait, no, they're not. I thought it was. Alright, so here's Tiffany's. Amazing. Just amazing. Look at that. Just amazing. Ooh, these pages are really stiff. Oh my god, more Tiffany. Okay, this is probably my favorite song to the album. Yes. And then Jessica. She's magically resting her arm on something that's not there. No, she's shooting Tiffany. Look at that, she has the gun pointed to her head. But she's like tiny compared to Tiffany here. And then another Jessica picture. I think I've seen these, the scans of it. Alright, and then here's Sion. Yeah, I've seen these. Well, most of them, at least. And Sunny. Whoa, I actually wearing gloves on one hand. I don't know, but I like those kind of gloves, the fingerless gloves. Yeah. And Sunny. And wait, why is she in front of her lettering? Wait. See, Jessica's behind her lettering. Tiffany's in front of her. Oh. That's weird. Okay, you see the lettering there for the name? Jessica's behind it, and they're behind it. What is this? Alright, so there's Taeyeon. That looks nothing like Taeyeon. She looks a lot like Taeyeon here. I don't know if that's just me, but this picture, look at her face. Yes, I need to get out and trade these. I have no idea when the video stopped. I lost track. Yeah. Alright. Let's hope for a non-Taeyeon card. Not Taeyeon card. Da, 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 da. Okay, let's see what I got. I'm pretty sure it's right there. You guys can see it already. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna slide it out again. Yep, I got the same card again.